Introducing the Morphy Richards Total Control Hand Blender, a versatile appliance designed to give you the power to create with confidence. To start blending, simply turn the variable speed control to one of 8 speeds. The ergonomic soft grip handle helps you maintain total control. The serrator blade can blend a range of foods and fruity smoothies. With unique Smart Response technology, the pressure-sensitive trigger allows for soft start blending. The powerful 650-watt motor will gently gain speed, ensuring no messy splattering. When you've reached the desired consistency, release the trigger and the blender will slow to a stop without splashing. The blending leg is easily removable. Simply press the release button and you can swap between the diverse range of attachments for a variety of blending tasks. The Pro set also includes a chopping vessel, potato masher and a balloon whisk attachment. Just click the blender into the attachment and control as before, ideal for whipping up fresh cream and milkshakes. Total Control Hand Blender from Morphy Richards, giving you the power to create with confidence.